The DRN error code on a Maytag top-load washer indicates a problem with the drainage system, primarily occurring when the drain hose is not properly secured to the washer, preventing it from draining water. This error is commonly caused by a kinked or clogged drain hose. To fix the issue, start by straightening the drain hose. Turn off the washer. Unplug it from the power source. Locate the hose behind the washer. Disconnect and straighten it. Then reinstall it and turn the washer back on. Alternatively, clean the drain hose by turning off the washer, unplugging it, detaching the hose, clearing any clogs or debris, and then reinstalling it and turning the washer back on. If the issue persists, consider replacing the drain hose by turning off the washer, unplugging it, inspecting the hose for damage, detaching it, and replacing it with a new one. By following these steps, the error should be resolved.